After we eat, shall we watch a movie?
Yeah, all right.
I'll just take this.
Who are you talking to? Why are you turning your back? Are you hiding something from me?
Yeah. I'll talk later, okay?
It's nothing, just a wrong number.
A wrong number that you had to turn your back for?
Do you think I'm stupid? You're seeing someone else, aren't you?
No. I swear. You are overthinking it.
You swear? Then tell me, who were you calling?
I
didn't call, they called me. Where are you? What tea? What is that message? Where are you? Rumi, don't! Shut up! I knew it! You lied! Listen to my explanation first.
Explain what?
You've already made your choice.
Here, I will call them back so you can hear.
Huh? I told you.
It would be Hi. It was the food delivery number.
Then, why did you have to turn your back?
I was afraid you'd hear me, ordering more fried chicken.
I'm still leaving. This trip, I have planned it perfectly. Nothing can go wrong.
I just need to follow you, right?
Exactly. And absolutely no unauthorized helping.
One base maps are tying to me. .bang.
Oh, Pimicho! Sister, I know a shortcut. Did you just hear what I said?
Nat?
Shortcut, save time. Save. Time? What experience? The experience of standing still? Huh? Where's the booking code? No, but I have a power bank. Ace. Yeah.
Good.
But I left it at home.
I left it at home.
Okay. Calm down. I am an adult.
You're an adult. On the verge of exploding.
No. The forecast said sunny. Maybe the forecast got lost like me.
Deze, ja, dat is zo.
My makeup. At least.
At least. we're still alive.
And at least you won.
unforgettable.
You can still say that. You know, going with you is like playing a game of chance. I'm sorry. I just wanted to help.
Anna.
Then can you give me one chance to fix it?
Ja. Ja.
Wear this. If you catch a cold, I'm dead. You? How did you...
I'm not good at planning, but I'm good at asking around.
Okay. It's done. You saved a life. You saved a life. This trip wasn't perfect.
But having you is fine.
I know, thank you.
So I still get to help next time?
Yes, but on one condition. At least it's not bad. Yeah.
Rumi, this is the most beautiful place I know.
Today we'll do everything. Swimming, grilled squid, then stargazing.
Yeah. Sounds like a date plan.
Oh no. I mean, just a normal outing.
You really do blush easily. Help! Help me!
Rumi, stay here. I'm going. Calm down. Hold my hand tight.
Are you okay, Jinu?
I'm fine. Just a little cold. Ah.
You weren't scared earlier? You weren't scared earlier? I'm yapping.
Of course. But then I just thought, what if I didn't jump in?
You are better than I thought. Don't get cocky. Don't get cocky. Try it. Fresh sea squid. Fresh sea squid.
Just a little, to warm up.
Spicy, but also warm. I mean,
You look cold, but actually, warm.
the sea at night is more beautiful than I thought.
I've wanted to bring you here for a long time.